A balanced review of Forex Starlight indicator. Forex Starlight is a promising tool for traders seeking to enhance their results in the Forex market. Developed by Carl Dittman, an experienced trader with over 2 decades of experience, it aims to streamline trading while ensuring profitability. The indicator is compatible with various timeframes and major currency pairs, making it versatile for traders of all levels. However, one drawback of the Forex Starlight is its relatively higher initial cost of $147, which might deter some budget-conscious traders. While the indicator shows potential for profits, the investment required might be a consideration for some. For those seeking a more budget-friendly alternative, I recommend the Easy Scalper Pro. As a seasoned Forex scalper, I've found it to be an exceptional indicator that combines accuracy with affordability. Priced competitively, it offers a comprehensive range of features and a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for traders looking for an effective yet cost-effective solution. In conclusion, Forex Starlight is a powerful tool with the potential to significantly improve trading results. However, the initial investment might be a limiting factor for some. For those looking for a budget-friendly alternative, the Easy Scalper Pro stands out as a top-notch Forex indicator that offers a compelling combination of accuracy and affordability.